Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be sharing with you my nail polish collection. So above my nail polish collection I have this lipstick, canvas, an A, my name is Abby, and I have this sign that says wake up and makeup. First, a little shelf. I did find this at a yard sale. My setup has not changed, but the amount that I have in my setup has changed a bit, so we'll get to the numbers later. My LA Colors Creamy Neon collection, Mermaid collection. This is one of their glitter collections. Forgot the name. And their Hypno collection. Their Color Mania collection. And I do have my Pyramid Head and my Bobblehead Nurse from Silent Hill on my shelf as well. Some of my favorite hollow and silver glitters. I have a little meat wad there with some Spectrum Cosmetics. If you don't know who these characters are, these are from Silent Hill, and these characters are all from Adult Swim on Cartoon Network. The Spectrum Cosmetic Minis, Frylock, Spectrum Cosmetic Minis, Nathan Explosion, more Spectrum Minis there, and a Robot Chicken. This shelf was a spice rack and I repurposed it. I did find this at a yard sale. And on this shelf are my China Glaze polishes. Yes, some of them are kind of separating, but a quick shake will do that just fine. These China Glaze is one of my favorite brands. They go too deep back there. These too deep on that shelf as well, and too deep down here. One of my favorites, Zombie Zest and the Goblin polish, so pretty. And I think this one's called Ichabody. Anyways, fantastic, and this one's like a mummy. Fantastic, one of the best China Glaze releases ever. I stand by that, one of their Halloween releases. But yeah, too deep for those bottles as well. I will show you what's in this box in a second. This is a photo box I found at Walmart years ago. This container came from the Dollar General. It's a large storage box. This one came from Dollar General as well, and it's a storage box. I just cut the lid off of this one. I love the butterflies. On the side here I have polishes that don't really have a home yet, which are ILNP and KB Shimmer polishes. This random box with the butterflies on it has cotton rounds and like nail notes to myself, manicure ideas basically, notebook for that stuff. I have a random empty pump bottle. All of my backup white and black polishes are in there, and just random stuff. And on the very top, the little shelf that's left, a nail concealer that I grab for often, a nail strengthener, and a matte top coat. And then there's polishes that I either want to wear, I'm planning on wearing the next manicure, or are brand new that I plan on wearing very soon. And St. Patrick's Day is coming up, so I'll be using that too. So that's what I do with the polishes that I am going to, or either going to use, or brand new that I plan on using. In this here, cuticle oils, top coats, base coats, treatments, and all my backup top coats too, and specialty top coats like glitter top coats, watercolor top coats, matte top coat, that kind of thing. And then I have some nail tools back here. This large storage container, flowers on it. It says make time for you, and it actually says self-care. And in this box I have all of my specialty MTV Mari Moon polish sets, some more Mari Moon polishes, finger paints, KB Shimmers, Mooncat, ILNP, Cupcake, Nevermind, Apothecary, more finger paints, Hollow Taco, and then all of my ILNP, which also extends up here. And over on the side here, also on the top area, is some watercolors, nail art brushes, extra stampers, my shrinking stamper, sponges, and stamping plates that don't really have a home right now. Okay, on the shelf itself. Over the side here, if you're wondering, these are all backdrops I use to film with. There's quite a few of those. And all the white bins and these white shelf items are from Dollar Tree. And the black shelf itself is from the Dollar General, which fits my polishes perfectly. Mostly drugstore items, as I keep my specialty and my most expensive polishes up here. Some of my favorite brands and polishes up on these shelves. So on the first shelf, you can see I have some napkins. They are for nail stamping, so I keep them on my nail polish shelf. This container, Dollar Tree, it has everything that I would need to fix a broken nail, buff my nails down, file my nails, cut them, and cuticle items. So nail care in a box. And then here I have a donating box, which I recently went through my polishes and have decluttered quite a few. And then a book I'm going to read. On this top shelf, I have a magnifier for nail art stamping. This first bin is clean color. I'm not going through each individual polish, just sharing my collection storage. LA Colors. This bin. LA Colors also in this bin. And this time I went through and I color coded them. So they are in order of the Roy G. Biv. In rainbow order. In this bin I'm not able to pull this out, but in the very back I have Maybelline polishes. Yeah, I bet some of you don't even know that Maybelline made polishes. Yeah, I'm that old. I have some LA Colors, my She Glam polishes. Same thing with this bin here. Can't really pull it out, but you're going to see Salon Perfect, one of my favorite brands as well. There is some Ode, let me pull one out, Duck Dynasty polishes back here. Some Orly in this bin here. There is some LA Girl as well. Down here, they're doubled up like this. These little wire shelves from Dollar Tree work fantastic for this idea. And I have Chameleon polishes, Spectrum polishes, Hard Candy, and Julie G. And Jesse's Girl. This one has a mixture of some floating China Glaze, Revlon, Pretty Woman, confetti polishes, and Rimmel and NYC. This bin here is very hard and heavy to get out of here. Sinful Colors. All Sinful Colors in this bin here. On top of here, also making it hard to pull out, I have some papers, and I also have 2 watercolor palettes. I can get them out. 2 watercolor palettes as well for nail art. This bin here, Believe Beauty polishes. Love Believe Beauty, one of the best drugstore brand of polishes. Super affordable, $1 to $3 for polishes, top coats, cuticle oils, you name it, they have it, and it's great. It's Dollar General house brand. And then I have Maniology, actual polishes, not the stamping polishes over here. I love the Maniology polishes as well. They're fantastic. Okay, in this bin down here, I have Color Club and Pure Ice and some Wet n Wild Fergie polishes. Sally Hansen, lots of Sally Hansen. Do you remember even how old like the nail prisms are? Yeah, I own some of these. Like this was probably one of my first specialty polishes that I ever got, and at the time it was just fantastic and didn't realize that it was like a specialty duochrome kind of thing. It just was fantastic. This one, more Sally Hansen. Love Sally Hansen. Color Club, Hard Candy, China Glaze, and 2 spoiled polishes back there. And then in this one we have Broadway and Wet n Wild. Remember these polishes that were named after like TV shows? That is all for the main shelf. I love this system. That's why I have not changed it, because it works for my collection. Now under my desk real quick, I have this storage box from Dollar General full of hand creams. These containers here found at Walmart, they're huge craft boxes. They have nail stuff in them, my glitter polishes and stuff, so I'm going to pull those out and share those with you now. And the first bin, I have extra cotton balls and cotton rounds, and I just have a mix of China Glaze and Pure Ice and colors, and glow-in-the-dark polishes too, but glitters. This is how much I've decluttered. In the past, all 4 of these bins that I'm about to share with you were absolutely full. You couldn't get another polish in them. I'm really happy about the decluttering. Well, in the bottom of this one is nail art foils, lots of them, and I'll share more about these in the nail art storage and collection that I'm going to film. Then, same thing, lots of different glitters and specialty like magnetic polishes from China Glaze. This drawer is mostly China Glaze. Finger paints, Sally Hansen. And the bottom of that container, this layer, has L'Oreal polishes, Maybelline, Pure Ice, and I do keep a couple polishes in here that I would never throw away, like this scattered polish from my nanny got this one for me when I was in like 5th grade. So it can't even open anymore, but I won't part with it. And then over here, and this kind of goes on with the nail art and nail stamping, and share with you the stamping polishes that I have. Quite a few of those. These actually are not counted in the final count of polishes because I don't usually wear these on my nails, but I still wanted to share these because they are a type of polish. And on top of here I also have a ring light and a container that holds my cotton balls. I hope you guys enjoyed my nail polish collection, enjoyed watching it. I have 718 polishes combined. Thank you so much for watching. Stay tuned for more videos like these, and don't forget to check the description box as well as the cards for additional nail polish links.